Well, earlier, I just posted a video way early in the morning, and the video was lost. So, sorry about that, guys. I'm gonna repeat what I said earlier. Our neighbors have been doing this for 2 years, going on to 3. I've been nothing but inside the house or taking the camera with me outside and using the audio for it. Every time I go outside, there is something going on. There's not a peace and quiet of any day or time. There's always something going on. And it's very disrespectful, and I just showed you, all of you guys, everything that they do. And we just got home because I was picking up my wife, and I have that on video as well, if you guys want to see that. To go to from work. She spends like 10 hours a day, 5 days a week, and then gets Friday, Saturday, and Sunday off. Imagine going to work and having all that stress, and then coming home to this, and then having to ignore it. But I guess yesterday one of the idiots next door wanted to fight me, and I wasn't even home. I was actually picking up my wife and making sure that I do something productive in my life, something that they can't say that they do. So therefore, what can you do? Everything that I do and say, it doesn't matter to them. And, well, I don't matter. But I matter to my wife. I matter to my family, my sister-in-law, my brother-in-law, my niece and my nephew. And most of all, like I said, my wife and my 2 dogs. When somebody said, which as I heard it, that the only thing that we have that is worth of value is 2 dogs. Well, I value my life, and I value my wife, and I value family as well. It's all on video, or no, audio. Sorry guys, audio, not video. I didn't get the video because it was outside, and I do not want to put it to where there's faces on YouTube and get in trouble with it. I'm in good standings with YouTube, and I'm with other websites, and I hope that I stand tall and strong like I did yesterday, and video record it or audio record it while my wife is video recording it for future purposes of suing the homeowners for what they're doing, for letting this happen all the time. So therefore, we have to make sure that everything that we do is legal. What I did yesterday was legal. I looked it up. It was on audio. And yes, we can take it to court and present it in court. And therefore, we will be taking steps into making this stop completely. So, you guys from YouTube, Google or whoever the other channels are that's actually watching this video, or any other videos of mine, that has my neighbors that are horrible, horrible people. This is my life. But I also love to go camping. I love to go traveling. I love to go do things. And I make sure that I'm making sure that my wife and I and my 2 dogs and if my family wants to go too, that they're welcome. And guess who's over here, knowing that I'm upset from yesterday still. And I'm sorry you guys had to hear that. If you guys are going to be watching this video from the other video, that's going to be on just before this video. I do apologize again, and I'm going to make it a better day. Today is a better day. So have a great day, guys. Everybody in the world and YouTube and Google and whoever else watches this. And I hope you guys have a good time watching my videos. Well, so far, it's been very quiet and very nice. One of the only days that it's been really quiet. And I'm actually pretty glad about that. Who would have thought that somebody would actually be so hateful and so pissed off, and they got caught, and they know it, and they know it's on YouTube. Well, I hope so, because all you guys out there have heard what goes on in my life. Some days it's really good, and some days it's horrid, and they know they done wrong, and well, they're quiet now. I'll only last a day, unfortunately. So, see how long this takes before the next horrible neighbors part, whatever. But this is my life. This is what I go through. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, let's go for a ride. Oh, how's things going with you guys? Because for me, right now, I'm actually doing pretty good. And taking it easy. And yes, I have the window open. And you guys are going to go for a bumpy ass ride. I mean, really bumpy. I mean, it's so bumpy that the whole camera is going to be shaking. Anyway, like I said, been taking it easy, making sure that I drive safely. Going to pick up my wife again, and loving every minute of this driving. And well, I hope you guys will enjoy sometimes when I go pick up my wife and come back home. Well, I'm not going directly back home. I'm going to go see my mother-in-law, and then after that, we're going to go get groceries for me to eat. And then after that, go directly home. And then possibly go back to sleep. So yeah, it's not as busy as it was yesterday going to pick up my wife, but it was still busy enough. And yeah, somebody almost pulled out in front of me. And I wasn't going that fast. And I got a tailgate. that's the usual. Anyway, if you see a bulge in my pocket or anything like that, that's my wallet. My wife got paid today, so that's why we're going to go get groceries. And then I pay bills tomorrow. So you guys might be going for a ride tomorrow. I don't know yet. Just depends, I guess, on different things of different situations. Hopefully I can. The steering wheel is hotter than blazes. And this is what happens when you don't have air conditioning. It's 97 degrees outside. Well, it's not really 97. I think it's like 95, 96. But, yeah. Anyway. This is what you're going to be seeing, but I'm going to get a gimbal. And then, with my phone. And hopefully they make them. And, it's like a gyro. So, it'll be more steady. And, that's going to be in the future. Also, getting other things done as well, like cleaning the house, getting things squared away. My mother-in-law is going to the hospital tomorrow, or the clinic in Stanford tomorrow. I have to stay home. Well, I don't really, well, yeah, I have to stay home. And that way, it'll be alright. So I hope you guys are having a great time. I know it's kind of boring just driving down the road with me talking. But, it's going to be like this for a while. Sheesh. I'm still trying to figure out this thing has turbo, because it constantly whines like crazy. So I'm checking to see what the temperature is for the oil and the engine. Shape Christmas, man, you're busy as heck. Glad I'm out of there. Burning hands, maybe? Well, I hope you guys had a good time with me doing the vlog. Also, oh crap, this is gonna be a tight squeeze. Am I gonna be able to squeeze it? No. I'm not even gonna try. But what I am going to do is park in the shade. Christmas, and this guy is parked double spaced. Funny. Alright guys, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, and have a great day, and don't forget to click the ads when you watch my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to me. And if you guys want to talk to me, I'm on Facebook, so and Twitter constantly, so I'll talk to you guys, and I'll also add my email. Have a great day, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.